Hello guys, welcome to the channel and to the video. Today, magpapagupit kami ngayon kasi apparently barbers and everything else are gonna reopen on July, I think. Yeah, July. So it's gonna be a long time and I don't think this hair will be able to get by over the coming months and weeks. So might as well, you know, cut the hair. Fortunately, we have a expert barber in our house, which is our dad, who can, you know, who's been cutting our hair for how many years now, so he knows what he's doing and he's familiar with our heads. So yeah, and now, you know, we don't, as long as it's cut and short and looks nice, you know, we're not complaining anything else, you know, so it's good. And get that sorted, and we don't have to worry about not going to the barber shop for quite some time. So yeah. Okay guys, as you can see, nagtutulungan yung mga parents ko sa gupit. It's my dad's turn at the moment. Close up.
Narungag pahak ha.
Maraming tao dito ngayon sa UK nagkakaproblema kung saan sila pupunta sa magpapaputol ng buhok. So kami dito may dalawang hairdresser professional. Okay ma, anong number yung size?
Yung side, dahan-dahan, number 6.
6.
Itong ginagamit ko. Dahan-dahan lang.
Dandahan sa pahak.
Kasi baka ma-abrupt ko.
Okay Henry, what hairstyle do you want?
Skinhead.
Skinhead. You usually go with is it usually a trim on the side?
No, I don't ask for anything. It's Dad who does all the styling. I don't really care.
How are you, Henry?
I'm good. Doduha.
Nice hair.
You can't say that. It's not even done.
Yeah, actually looks nice, story.
What? What? Do you want a piece of this?
Professional ka putol mo din. Yeah, papa.
Dito mahakay na.
It's better than going to the barber shop, right?
I mean, I saved £9.
Yeah.
I could save money, why not?
Dude, that's 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Aside from the shoe brush. This a shoe brush?
Original ni.
Eh? I swear that's a shoe brush.
May ika nang pang
Oh.
lingkod ko nga balibo mas kabayo yan balibo manigiring.
We're shaving Henry's mustache and stove.
I don't like this.
Hey.
Hey guys, I'm fresh from the shower and I finished my haircut. What do you think? Hey, so I'm gonna go.
How about you, Frodo? He wants to go in here as well, join in the fun. And he's making a lot of noises.
Frodo, don't look down.
Okay guys, it's my turn. So, bahala na si Papa kung anong hairstyle yung gagawin niya. Hopefully, walang way pahak. So, let's see. Okay guys, tapos na yung paggupit. So, you know, malinis na tingnan yung ulo ko. I'm gonna last until July. I might have another one as well in between. So, we'll see. So guys, that's it. I have my clean cut now. I look neat. So, that's it for the video. And thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe if you like the content. And see you later. Bye.